We'll guide you through how to check the DM on Threads. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening your phone so you can access your installed applications and account features easily. For this example, we will use an Android tablet, although the steps are generally similar on most Android phones and supported mobile devices. Before continuing, make sure you have already installed the Threads app on your device so you can access the messaging and request features correctly. If you do not have the app installed yet, open the Play Store or App Store, search for Threads, and complete the installation process before moving to the next step. Once the application is installed successfully, return to your home screen and tap on the Threads app icon to launch the application. After the app opens, the Threads main page will load and display your feed, account navigation tools, and available menu options. Next, look at the menu collection located at the bottom of the screen where the main navigation icons are displayed. From these options, select Messages, which is represented by the paper airplane icon, to access your direct messaging section. After tapping the icon, the main display will switch from the feed page to the Messages view inside the Threads application. Inside this section, a list of your direct messages and conversations will appear under the Inbox category automatically. If another user who does not follow your account sends you a direct message, the message will usually not appear in the regular inbox section immediately. Instead, those messages are generally placed in the Requests section for additional review and privacy protection. To check these pending messages, tap on the Requests menu available near the Inbox section. Once selected, the display will change again and open the dedicated request page within the Threads messaging interface. Here, a list of all pending message requests will appear in the Requests section if there are any available. Before opening these messages, review the information and terms regarding message readability, visibility, and privacy settings shown on the screen. Threads also allows you to disable or manage message requests from settings if you prefer stricter privacy controls. If you still cannot find a specific message request, the conversation may appear in the Hidden section for certain moderation or filtering reasons. Tap on Hidden, and any hidden messages connected to your account will be displayed there if available.